Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can add tracking number in Vinted. So what you'll need to do is basically follow the Vinted instructions. So after the buyer pays, follow the instructions provided by Vinted to send them the item using the correct label and wait for tracking to appear. It can take up to 48 hours for tracking information to appear on Vinted. After the seller has marketed the item as sent, track the parcel and go to the conversation screen with the buyer, tap track parcel, and then you'll be able to see the status and link to the carrier's tracking page. So basically follow the instructions that Vinted gives you and you will be good to go. You can find that in orders and right here in the sold orders, and you'll see that in progress. So this will be your all sold items and you'll see in progress. So if you want to see a tracking number and add it, click on in progress and then you will be able to add right here. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.